Question 24. So factorize the following. There are four expressions. Probably we'll do some of them. Let's try. So the first one is from previous problem. So we have a minus b. So what is... So in this problem, we have three numbers, a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a. Their sum is 0. And then we want to find their cubes. So if you go back to the problem number 24, you can see when you have sum of three numbers is 0, their cubes, sum of their cubes is 3abc. You can use that problem. So we have, these are my three numbers. Not abc is my three numbers, but a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a are three numbers. Their sum is 0. And sum of their cubes is going to be 3 times a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a. So that's the factorization. Let's try to do problem number second problem, second expression. So one of the ways is to find the roots of this expression. For example, if you set x is equal to a, so like for the sake of analysis, if you set x is equal to a in the second problem, you will get that, let's say x is equal to, say, I'm going to replace x with a, so this is going to be a, right? And then this is going to be a, and this is going to be a. So that means this is 0, and then these two will cancel each other. So which means when I do the factorization of this expression, I will have x minus a as a factor. That's one of my factors. So what I'm going to do is, so like that gives you the idea, right? X minus a minus x is your one of the roots. So here we have a minus x is a factor. Now probably I will have a minus x as a factor here as well. So let me write it like this: y cube, and then open the parentheses here, minus a x cube plus y x cube plus x a cube minus y a cube. So I want to take out a minus x. So I need to regroup everything in order to get a minus x. Probably I will regroup it with this 2, then these 2, because I can take out here, I can take out ax, here just y. For this one, I'm taking out ax. So if I take out ax, just plus ax, I will be left with a squared minus x squared. And for these two, if I take out negative y, I will be left a cube minus x cube. So both of them have a minus x as a factor. So take out a minus x as a factor. Inside the parentheses, we have a cube plus ax, a plus x, minus y, a squared plus ax plus x squared. So this is the first part. So now we can, we have 6 other terms. Try to figure out like how to factorize the second parenthesis. So a minus x, let's do y cube plus ax squared plus a squared x minus y a squared plus x yx squared. So now you can group these again. So these are, all of them have minus sign. So the same way as a minus x, probably x minus y, and then a minus y are also the roots of this expression. So we can group it with this, like this, these two. I'll have like a squared minus y squared, these two, and then these two. So that will give me a minus y as a factor. And then finally, okay, a minus x. When you group these two, we can take out y. We have y squared minus a squared. Then when I group these two, ax, have x minus y. So x minus, okay, let's ax squared with yx squared. So I'm taking out x squared. X squared, a minus y. And then the last one is ax, where I have a minus y as a factor. So here, this part, like if you take out a minus y as a common factor, you are left with, so let me write it here, a minus x, a minus y, and then in the final one, we are left with y times y plus a plus x squared plus ax. With minus here. So you can open this, you can factorize this. This is like four numbers, and then you can easily factorize this by grouping 2 by 2. So basically, the idea of this one and this one are very similar. You can try to follow the same idea. And for the last one, if you group these two and then group these two, you get the formula for cubes that gives you y plus z as a root, and then y plus z, x plus c, x plus y as a roots. So we can use cubic formula. So it's very important to be able to factorize these kind of expressions, because when you factorize them, you can simplify it, you can find the roots, you can, so like instead of these numbers, we could have some, like instead of these letters, we could have some numbers, and that could have been an equation. So being able to factorize these kind of expressions is one of the crucial parts of the contest math problems.